Hello, this is Eva, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is from Family Company. Today, we introduce the hot sale top fidget toy. Now, we are in the shop. Let's see the designs. There are many rainbow pointed finger toys, and here have many different designs. Like normal, sharp, and dark, unicorn toy, hot or different colors. Purple color or green, even the marquee hand. So this is one. It is fruit series, strawberry. And this is new design. It is made patterned on oval, dog, unicorn toy, and major patterns. If you are looking for some factory and for these goods, you can contact me. This is my number. Let's to see the good how to make it from the factory. If you want to buy the wholesale from China, you can contact me. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, see you then.